Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix indexing in progress issue after iOS 27 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version and now you're seeing this pop up in the settings here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to the iPhone storage, and from here you have to simply delete useless data from here. So guys, do this and go to apps and delete useless apps from your device as well. So guys, do this and after this go back and go to date and time and set your date and time. Go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again, go back and then go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN as well. Then go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the pop-up is gone or not, and if the pop-up is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and after this the pop-up will be gone from your settings. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.